In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sort order in a table. So let's go over to our Excel spreadsheet. And we have 09 owners open. And it could say 09 owners solution. It could have a lot more rows included, but this is the file that I was using in the last video. So I'm going to just click in my table somewhere. On the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, I'm going to click Sort. And that opens up my Sort dialog box. And you can tell I have two things I'm sorting by. I'm sorting by last name and first name. So I want to delete the level. So let's delete level. And then we're going to click delete level again. And that's how you delete different sorts. Let's add a level. And then we're going to sort by zip code. Maybe we're sending out a bulk mailing in the U.S. Postal Service, and we need to sort these things by zip code. And then let's add a level, sort by last name, and then let's add another level and let's sort by first name. What if we want to put our first name above the last name? All we got to do, with this one selected, click the up arrow, and it now moves it up one level. We could move the zip code to the bottom if we wanted to. So just use the up and down arrows to move your lists or your levels up and down. And that's all you have to do. So we're going to do, I want to set it to zip code first. Then I want last name, first name, and then click OK. There we go. So now 73101, 73115, 73120, and so forth. And then then after it does that, it changes it by last name and then first name. And you wonder why Kim Woo's first name is after Lily Woo's. Kim should be before Lily, but we sorted it by zip code. So one of the Woos has a different zip code than the other, and that's why they seem to be out of alphabetical order. And that's all there is to using the sort dialog box, and we can change the sort order, we can delete. That's all there is to it.